Have you ever wondered how people create ads like this?
I found this company on Etsy that sells awesome prints called George's Prints.
What if I told you this entire video was made with AI? And what if I told you it took me less than 5 minutes to create it? A fully polished 30-second ad. Yeah, tech has leveled up. And if you're not paying attention right now, then you're missing your shot to scale your business 10 times faster. In this video, I'm gonna show you a platform I found called Arc Ads and how you can use it to not only grow your online business, but also to create viral content that makes people stop scrolling and buy. So the first thing we're gonna do is launch Arc Ads. Now the first thing you probably notice, it's pretty blank, but here's the thing, this software is far from basic. First thing you're gonna do is go to project, click here, and then you're gonna see right there, it says write script, text to speech, add actors, talking actors. All you have to do is click this button, and then this is where the money happens. All these actors pop up. And it gets even better. So you can actually adjust this based off of the gender. So male, female, you can go to age, young adult, adults, senior, kid. You can even go to newly added, HD, and the situation in which they are in. So if you want to do one that they're on a boat, in a car, if they're in a gym, if they're medical, nature, night, I mean, the options are endless, but you think it would stop there. There's even more. You can actually base this off of the accessories that they have. So bags, candle, drink, microphone, a mug, going into even how much emotion they have. Are they calm? Are they enthusiastic? Are they excited? And then last but not least, the skin tone. I mean, the options that this program has is awesome. So right there, I mean, it's just amazing. And they're using real people, which is great. It's not AI generated. So what we're gonna do is make it AI generated by making their lips actually move in the way we want. What I'm gonna choose is I'm gonna choose a female for this. And the reason being is because I'm gonna do a Etsy ad. And 80% of Etsy shoppers are women. So we're gonna look for a female here. I'm not gonna choose any of these other options. I'm actually just gonna scroll through and see if I can find one that looks authentic.
Tired of ads that just
so I kind of like this.
Welcome to Arc Ads. I'm here to...
That's not bad. I kind of like her. Scrolling down a little bit more, you have her. Pretty good.
Hey you, welcome to Arc Ads.
All right, let's find one more. Let's see, right here. I like this one.
Hey you, welcome to Arc Ads. I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use for your...
Okay, so I like her actually pointing at the computer. I love that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on this one here. Select that, click add actor. Now that it's added, I can write a script here and make her say whatever I want it to. So I typed this in really quick. This isn't a full script. I just wanna show you how this works. So I typed in something very simple. It just says, hey, this is a test. I wanna show off the way that the actor speaks. My name's Dorothy, and I'm excited to say that for this YouTube. Sorry, I messed that up, but whatever. I'm just gonna show you. All you have to do is click play and you'll get a test sample.
Hey, this is a test. I want to show off the way the actor speaks. My name is Dorothy, and I am excited to say that for this YouTube video.
See, now there, it seemed a little fast, right? I didn't like that it was fast. So you can adjust the speed down a little bit here, stability, similarity, and even the exaggeration here. So let's put this up just a little bit and the speed down. Let's test it again.
Hey, this is a test. I want to show off the way the actor speaks. My name is Dorothy, and I am excited to say that for this YouTube video...
That's not bad. I kind of like that. Speed up just a little bit more.
Hey, this is a test. I want to show off the way the actor speaks.
All right. I think we're good with this.
Hey, this is a test. I want to show off the way...
All right, that's perfect. So this is the person that we're going to use. That is the speed, the stability, a little bit of the exaggeration. I'm going to erase this because I don't actually want to use that at all for the script. And instead, I'm going to actually speak to it. So I don't feel like typing. Most of the things I do is just verbal, and then it just writes it for me. So I'm going to click here and speech, and then this is where I'm going to record. Now, I already on my phone have something that I wrote out. So I'm going to read this and then have this put it in there. So record a new one. Here we go. Click start recording, and I found this company on Etsy that sells awesome prints called George's Prints. I've ordered from them multiple times already. I'm seriously obsessed. I just bought another one before making this video. Let me show you real quick on how cute these are. All you have to do is open Etsy and type in funny artwork. Literally, it's one of the first options. Click it and just look how cool this looks. Plus, it's only $3.74. everybody watching this right now, you're lucky it's not a physical product because I'd probably buy them all. Thank you so much, George, for the awesome art. And that's it. So now I have the audio, I have the actress, and I'm going to click this button to make them all together and combine. Okay, so now while I wait for this to process, I'm gonna open my phone and then record it, showing me going to that Etsy listing. So I'm gonna go here, record, and then this is gonna start recording it. Now I'm gonna do funny artwork. It's gonna pop up, I'm gonna click on it, and then there it is. Then I'm gonna stop that recording. Now, after this is done processing, I'm gonna save this to the computer. I'm gonna send that to the computer as well, jump on CapCut and combine those two together. So now that everything is downloaded, we're just gonna drop this into position here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is obviously put the video in there, right? And you can play it to make sure everything's good.
On Etsy that sells awesome prints called George's Prints.
So obviously I don't have a store called George's Prints. I just literally made that up and I threw in a random item that I found on Etsy. So that's what we're gonna do here. Let me first zoom in here. Just placed an order.
Obsessed. I just bought another.
So here, I just bought another one. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna drop this in here. It's gonna go.
One before making this video. Let me.
Okay, so I just got another one just before. I'm gonna put this in here right here.
I just bought another one before making this video.
All right, drop that there.
Let me.
And we're gonna extend this out. Okay, now obviously you'd wanna have real receipts and things like that. This is just showing how quick you can do this and put this together. So
I just bought another one.
It's gonna
before
pop
making
up.
this video. Let me show you real quick on how cute these are. All you have to do is
okay.
open Etsy and.
All right, so that's where the open Etsy is.
And type in funny artwork. Literally, it's one of the first options.
All right, so we're gonna put this in here.
Click it and just look how cool this looks. Plus, it's only $3.74. Everybody watching this right now, you're lucky it's not.
Perfect. Okay. All right. So now that I put this into place where I want this.
Type in funny artwork. Literally, it's one of the first options. Click it and just look how.
All right. This is perfect. Now you can add some transitions here if you want. This, you know, I don't know how much you know about CapCut or anything like that. You can add different animations if you want to do something like this.
Funny artwork. Literally, it's.
You know, fading in. You can do an unfold, zoom, circle maybe. Okay. I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Just a quick animation in and out. Fade in, fade out. Nothing fancy, right? So once you're happy with the locations on where you want everything, you just hit captions, go through the different captions on what you want. How about this one right here? Then from there, generate the caption. It's gonna generate the caption for that video. We're gonna resize it to where we want, move it up a little bit. And from there, we're just gonna play it and see how this looks. I mean, it only took a couple of minutes to put this together. So I wasn't going really in depth on making a crazy ad for you. I just wanted to show you how fast you can make one. But we're just gonna hit play and see how it comes out.
I found this company on Etsy that sells awesome prints called George's Prints. I've ordered from them multiple times already. I'm seriously obsessed. I just bought another one before making this video. Let me show you real quick on how cute these are. All you have to do is open Etsy and type in funny artwork. Literally, it's one of the first options. Click it and just look how cool this looks. Plus, it's only $3.74. Everybody watching this right now, you're lucky it's not a physical product because I'd probably buy them all. Thank you so much, George, for the awesome art.
I wish the ending had a little bit more. I probably should have did that myself. You know, I really messed up awesome art and then it just like kind of dies out. I should have added a little bit more to that script, but overall, I mean, for me just throwing this together and not doing anything fancy, you know, transition wise, it came out pretty good. It looks very authentic. It looks like something that somebody would have recorded and sent it to me. So this is a perfect example of how you can really expand your business. You could take this and just easily put this on TikTok or Instagram or Facebook. You can even publish it to Pinterest. The authentic feel of this is what sets this apart from other programs that I found. The fact that you have thousands of actors and actresses and they all have that real vibe is what makes this video really pop and stand out. Now that you've seen how easy this is, I want your imagination to run wild. Get creative, go big. Do something crazy that stops the scroll. But here's the catch. It still needs to look and feel authentic. The more real your video feels, then the more your customer will believe it. And when they believe it, they're way more likely to click that link and hit that buy button. So don't just slap something quick together. Put some thought into it, because once the vision is clear, the rest becomes easy. If you have any questions, drop me a comment below. You know I love to hear from you. And thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.